Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on meditation apps with calm, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by opening your device and locating the App Store. Search for the Calm Meditation app. Download and install the app on your device. Once installed, open the Calm app. You will be greeted with a welcome screen. Select the option to create a new account or log in if you already have one. If creating a new account, enter your email address and create a secure password. After creating your account, you may be prompted to personalize your experience. Once you're in the app, explore the available free features. Calm offers a range of free content, including guided meditations and sleep stories. Take note of any premium features you might find appealing. To access premium content, look for the subscription options displayed in the app. Consider exploring any promotions or discounts offered. If available, you may find a free trial for new users. During the free trial, explore the full range of features without making any payment. If you enjoy the experience, choose a subscription plan that suits your needs. Subscription plans usually include monthly, yearly, and lifetime options. Select the plan you prefer and enter your payment information. Confirm your subscription to unlock premium features. After subscribing, navigate through the app to find specific meditations that fit your goals. Make sure to save your favorite sessions for easy access later. Finally, set a reminder within the app to help you stay consistent with your meditation practice. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.